About whom we are talking, Maitri? About who? Listen, about whom we are talking, Maitri? Yes, Maitri, about which child we are talking? Beta, your voice is not coming clearly. Beta, your voice is not coming. Yes, Abhay's book. Beta, your voice is not coming properly. Abhay's book. What it will be? Abhay's book. Got it, Maitri? Got it? Okay, mute yourself. Okay. The toy belongs to the child. The toy belongs to the child. Who will tell me? Amrit Segal. Okay, Amrit. Amrit Segal,
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. The toy belongs to the child.
The child's toy.
Child's toy. The child's toy. Very good. Mute yourself. Child's toy. Okay. Okay, now the pencil belongs to Ravi. The pencil belongs to Ravi. The pencil belongs to Ravi. Okay, Anshika. Anshika, unmute yourself. The pencil belongs to Ravi. Anshika, you have to unmute yourself. The pencil belongs to Ravi. What it will be?
Ma'am, the pencil.
The pencil belongs to Ravi. About whom we are talking? Anshika, we are talking about whom? किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Ravi. So, हाँ, तो what it will be? Ravi's what? What we are talking about, Ravi?
Ma'am, Ravi pencil.
Ravi. नहीं, Ravi's pencil. Ravi's pencil.
Ravi's
We are
pencil.
talking about Ravi और Ravi की क्या चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about Ravi's pencil. Got it? So it will be pencil. Got it?
Ravi pencil.
Yes, Anshika.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ.
मैम सॉरी मैम, डिस्टर्ब मैम क्या? मैम इसका वीडियो बंद है मैम.
Sir, I have stopped the video because we are allowed to stop the video. Okay. The dress belonged to Pooja. The dress belonged to Pooja. Okay. Who will tell me? The dress belongs to Pooja. Okay. Nityank Bagel. Nityank. The dress belongs to Pooja.
Ma'am, Pooja's dress.
Yes, very good. Pooja's dress. About whom we are talking? We are talking about Pooja. And what we are talking about Pooja? We are talking about Pooja's dress. So it will be Pooja's dress. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. In this you have to do my Mr. Ghosh is my dash parents. Okay. So you have to say about parents. Whether you will put the apostrophe before S or after S. Just tell me that. Okay, Abhinav Shekhar. Abhinav Shekhar, unmute yourself. Mr. Ghosh is my parents' friend. Friends is, we have to put S after parents or before parent.
Ma'am, after parents.
After parents. Yes, very good. Because why we are putting S after parents? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, मेरी वीडियो नहीं खुल रही.
Beta, stay stopped from here. Okay. Okay. The shoe of the shop of the chemist. The shop of the chemist. Who will tell me the shop of the chemist? Okay, Khushi Sharma. Yes, Khushi Sharma. The shop of the chemist. Yes, Khushi, the shop of the chemist.
Ma'am, chemist or shop?
Khushi, your voice is not coming. Beta, what is the answer of this? Khushi's
Yes, ma'am.
the shop of the chemist. Yes, Khushi.
Shop.
Mika, your voice is not coming. Okay, I'm muting you. Okay, some other children. Okay. Pari, yes, Pari, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, chemist shop.
Chemist shops. Very good. Chemist shop. Okay, mute yourself. Acha, who is this joined with A? Unmute yourself. The person who has joined with A. Okay. Yes. Playground of the kitchen. About children. The playground of the children. Yes. The playground of the children. Shivam. Shivam, unmute yourself. The playground of the children. Shivam, you have to unmute yourself. Playground of the children. Yes, Kratika. Unmute yourself, Kratika. Kratika Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what will be the answer of this? The playground of the children.
The children playground.
Children, because we will put our apostrophe after children and then we will put S. Children's playground. Got it, Kratika?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kratika, did you get it? Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. The blessings of God. Sharbi, unmute yourself, Sharbi. The blessings of God. The blessings of God.
God's blessings.
Yes, God's blessing. Very good, Sharbi. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, now who will tell me this? The cows of the farmers. The cows of the farmers. Yes, Avni, unmute yourself, Avni. The cows of the farmers.
Cow.
Where we will
Ma'am,
put apostrophe.
farmers cow.
Yes, farmer's cow. Where we will put apostrophe after.
After S.
Okay, very good. After
Ma'am,
S.
after
Okay,
S.
mute yourself. Okay. Father of Suhana. Yes, Maitri. Father of Suhana. Maitri, unmute yourself. Maitri Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Father of Suhana.
Father of Suhana.
Father of Suhana. Yes, Maitri, about whom we are talking? Maitri, just pay attention. About whom we are talking? Maitri, हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Father of Suhana.
No, we are talking about Suhana. And what we are talking about Suhana? We are so talking about Suhana's father.
Father.
So what will be the where we will put the apostrophe?
apostrophe.
Hmm? Yes, Maitri, where we will put apostrophe? We will put apostrophe after Suhana. Suhana's father. What we are talking about? We are talking about Suhana. And what we are talking about Suhana? We are talking about Suhana's father. So apostrophe will be Suhana's father. Got it, Maitri?
Father. Yes,
Got it?
ma'am.
Beta, pay
Yes,
attention.
ma'am.
Pay attention. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, golden shoe of the princess. Golden shoe of the princess. Anokhi Gupta. Anokhi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Golden shoe of the princess.
Ma'am, shoe princess.
No, no, no. Beta, about Anokhi, about whom we are talking first of all? किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं?
Princess.
हाँ, तो what will be the first word? Princess.
Princess.
Golden.
Um,
About princess, what we are talking? About princess, what we are talking? We are talking about princess shoe. So it will be princess golden shoe. Got it,
Okay,
Anokhi? Got it? Okay. The poems written by Rabindranath Tagore. Poems written by Rabindranath Tagore. Aradhya Agarwal, unmute yourself, Aradhya. Aradhya Agarwal. Yes, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, the poems written by Rabindranath Tagore.
Ma'am, Rabindranath Tagore poem.
Rabindranath Tagore's poem. We will put
Okay, ma'am.
apostrophe where? After where?
After
After Tagore's. Okay, we will put
S. Okay, ma'am.
Tagore. After Tagore, we will put. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Doctor looks after dash people. People. You have to use people. Doctor looks after dash people. Health. Yes, Medhavi. Unmute yourself. Doctor looks after dash people. Health. People. You have to use people. Yes, Medhavi. Doctor looks after people health. Word is people. You have to use people. Medhavi, you have to unmute yourself. Doctor looks after people health. Word is people. You have to use where we will put apostrophe in people. Medhavi.
Ma'am, people. Ma'am,
Yes.
before S.
No, after people we will put apostrophe and then S. What it will be? Doctor looks after people's health. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Okay, the baby smile is very sweet. Baby, where we will put apostrophe in this? The baby, Devansh Gupta. Devansh Gupta, unmute yourself. The baby's smile is very sweet. Yes, Devansh, unmute yourself. Devansh Gupta, you have to unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Devansh.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
baby smile is very sweet. So what will be the how we will put baby?
Babies.
Yes, baby's smile. The baby's smile is very sweet. Okay, Devansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now the sweets belong to the children. The sweets belong to the children. Khushi Sharma. Khushi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
The sweets belong to the children. Yes, Khushi, your voice is not coming. The sweets belong to the children.
Ma'am, children sweet.
Beta, your voice is not coming clearly. Bring your mic near your mouth.
Ma'am, children sweet.
Beta, I can't hear you. What you are saying, I can't hear you. Bring your mouth near your mouth, beta. Okay, beta, I'm muting you. Okay. Aditya Bansal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The sweets belong to the children.
Children sweets.
Children's sweet. What it will be? It will be children's sweet. Acha, one.
Sweet.
Okay, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Okay. The top of the page. The top of the page. The top of the page. What will be the possessive noun of this? The top of the page. Yes, Gopal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The top of the page.
From the top of the page.
Yes.
Top of the
The top of the page.
top of. Ma'am,
Yes.
page.
Yes, Gopal, the top of the page.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the pages of the top.
Nahi, wrong,
Top
wrong,
of the pages.
wrong it is. Okay, Pavni, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni, the top of the page. Pavni, your voice is not coming, beta. Pavni, your voice is not coming. Okay, Nityank. Yes, Nityank Bagel.
Ma'am, page top.
No, you forgot that I told you that in non-living thing we will not put apostrophe. When I was teaching you, I told you that we will not be putting apostrophe in any of the non-living things. Didn't I tell you? कोई भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में जो लिविंग थिंग्स नहीं है उसमें अपॉस्ट्रोफी नहीं लगता है. I told you that thing. कि if there is no living things there, then you have not to put the apostrophe. So it will be same the top of the page. The answer will be the top of the page only. We will not change into possessive noun. Okay. We will write the top of the page. Okay. Now Ria is wearing a new dress. Ria is wearing a new dress. Who will tell me the answer of this? Ria is wearing a new dress. Shivam, unmute yourself. Shivam, you have not given a single answer till now. Shivam, unmute yourself. Shivam Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are not giving, you are just sitting idle like this. Tell me the answer of this. The Ria is wearing a new dress.
The Ria is wearing a new dress. The Ria is the wearing a new dress.
No, no.
Yeah.
About whom we are talking, Shivam? About whom we are talking? हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
रिया के बारे में.
Yes. और रिया की क्या चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
इसकी ड्रेस के बारे में.
Then what will be the possessive noun of that?
ड्रेस.
Riya's dress. किसकी ड्रेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about Riya. So it will be Riya's dress. किसकी ड्रेस? Riya's dress. Got it, Shivam? किसकी ड्रेस है? रिया की ड्रेस है.
रिया की ड्रेस.
Got it, Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pay attention, Shivam. Okay. The pencil belongs to Anita. The pencil belongs to Anita. Aditya Bansal. Okay, Aditya Bansal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The pencil belongs to Anita.
Anita's pencil.
Yes, very good. Anita's pencil. About whom we are talking, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? About whom we are talking?
Anita's pencil.
We are talking about Anita. And what we are talking about, Anita? We are talking about Anita's pencil. So it will be Anita's pencil. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. The bird nest is very cozy. The bird nest is very cozy. Who will tell me the answer of this? Yes, only few children are raising their hand. I want the answer from other children also. Utkash. Utkash, unmute yourself. Utkash, unmute yourself. Yes, Utkash.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Bird's nest.
Bird's nest. Very good.
Nest.
What it will be? It will be bird's nest. Got it? Okay. Okay. Now, mute yourself, beta. Utkash, mute yourself. Okay. The test belong to the class. The test belong to the class. The test belong to the class. Aradhya Agarwal. Aradhya Agarwal, unmute yourself, Aradhya. Aradhya Agarwal, unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am, कर लिया.
Yes, beta, the test belong to the class. The tests belong to the class. About whom we are talking?
Test
Yes,
of class.
the test of class. Yes, very good. Why we are putting test of class? Why we are not putting class test? Class test. Why we are not saying class test? Because it is a non-living thing. Because class is also because we are talking about class and it is a non-living. So we will not put apostrophe in any of the non-living thing. Got it, Aradhya?
Non-living thing.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Father is holding his children's hand. Father is holding his children's hand. Who will tell me the answer of this? I want some new children should raise their hands. Amrit Sehgal, third A. Yes, Amrit Sehgal, unmute yourself. Father is holding his dash hands. Amrit, father is holding his dash hand. You have to use children. Father is holding his children hand. So what we will put apostrophe? About whom we are talking? Amrit, your voice is not coming. Okay, I'm muting you. Okay, Pari. Pari, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Father is holding his children's hand. You have to use children word. How will put apostrophe?
Ma'am, after
Yes. You have to use the word children, beta. You have to use the word children.
ma'am, children.
Children's. Yes, very good. Children's hand. Father is holding his children's hand. We have to use the word hand. Yes. So what we are doing? We are talking about children's hand. So what we will put? Apostrophe after children and we will put S. Okay. Acha, who will tell me the rules about this? Possessive noun. Who will tell me the rules of possessive noun? When all we put the possessive noun? Who will tell me? Okay. Yes, Abhinav Shekhar. Yes, Abhinav Shekhar.
मैम नॉन लिविंग के सेंटेंस में नहीं लगता है apostrophe.
Very good. Any another rule? Okay, I will ask some other. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, some other children. Abhinav had told me that we don't put apostrophe in non-living things. Got it? Now who will tell me? Yes, Maitri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
One child has told me that we don't put apostrophe in non-living things. Then second rule, for singular, how we put?
In living things.
In living things, and we put when we are talking about single person, we put apostrophe and then we put S. Okay, we put apostrophe before S. Where we put apostrophe in living things? Before yes, before S. Okay, very good. Now how about in plural? Who will tell me? Okay, Nityang, in plural.
Ma'am,
In plural we put apostrophe. Where we put apostrophe?
ma'am, S after
S and yes, after S and the words ending with ES.
yes.
So where we will put apostrophe? We will put apostrophe after S or words ending with
Yes.
Got it? Got it. Okay. Okay, mute yourself. And suppose the word is not ending with S or ES, then where we will put S? Suppose in plural the word is not ending in S or ES, then what we will do? Pari? Yes, Pari?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose the word in plural is not ending with S or ES, then what we will do? Suppose the word is ending with men, M-A-N, men. So what we will put? M-E-N, men.
Yes.
So what we will do? If the words are not ending in S or ES, so where we will put apostrophe? What we will do in plural? What we will do? We will put apostrophe and then we will put S. In plural, what we will do? We will put apostrophe and then we will put S in words which are not ending with S or ES. Got it, Pari?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. We have done this chapter and tomorrow I will be taking revision test of literature, the singing train tomorrow. Okay, so be prepared for that chapter because these chapters will be coming in your assignment on Saturday. Okay, so I'm ending the meeting. We'll meet tomorrow.